Long before modern science, before computers or engines, the ancient world was already solving problems we still struggle to understand. From machines that defied gravity to surgical tools that rival modern precision, these inventions prove our ancestors were far more advanced than we imagine. And here's the question that still puzzles scientists. How did they do it? You're watching Tales of Time, and today we uncover the top 10 ancient inventions that still amaze scientists. If you love discovering the mysteries of history and genius of lost civilizations, hit subscribe, like, and let's journey back in time. Number 10. The Baghdad Battery, Iraq, 250 BC. Discovered near Baghdad, this small clay jar with a copper cylinder and iron rod inside may be the world's first electrical device. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it produces a mild electric current. But here's the mystery. Why would ancient people need electricity? Some believe it was used for electroplating, applying thin layers of gold or silver onto jewelry. Others say it may have been a kind of religious or healing device. Whatever the truth, scientists still debate how and why such knowledge existed 2,000 years before modern batteries. Number 9. Roman concrete, Italy, 100 BCE. The Romans built harbors, aqueducts, and temples that have stood for over 2,000 years, outlasting modern concrete by centuries. Their secret? A mix of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater that creates a self-healing reaction. When cracks form, water triggers new minerals to grow, sealing the gaps naturally. Modern scientists have only recently replicated this formula, proving Roman engineering was centuries ahead of its time. Number 8. The Antikythera mechanism, Greece, 100 BCE. Found in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, this corroded bronze device once contained more than 30 interlocking gears. When reconstructed, it turned out to be a complex analog computer, capable of predicting lunar and solar eclipses, planetary positions, and even Olympic events. Scientists now call it the world's first computer. No other device like it appeared again for over 1,000 years, making it one of the greatest technological mysteries in human history. Number 7. Greek fire, Byzantine Empire, 7th century CE. A weapon so terrifying that it changed naval warfare forever. Greek fire was a liquid that could burn even on water, launched through bronze tubes from Byzantine ships. Its exact chemical formula remains lost, even after centuries of scientific research. It gave the Byzantine Navy an unbeatable advantage for 400 years, a secret so well guarded, it died with the empire. Number 6. The Great Pyramids engineering, Egypt, 2560 BCE. Each limestone block in the Great Pyramid weighs several tons, yet the entire monument aligns perfectly with true north. The precision of the construction still baffles modern engineers. Some theories suggest vast ramps or counterweights. Others propose lost mechanical tools. What we know is this: the pyramid builders mastered geometry, logistics, and astronomy on a scale unmatched for millennia. It remains not just a tomb, but a symbol of ancient mathematical genius. Number 5. The Archimedes screw, Greece, 3rd century BCE. Invented by Archimedes of Syracuse, this spiral device lifted water using simple rotational motion. Farmers used it to irrigate fields, and later it was adapted for draining ships and mines. The principle behind it is still used today in modern pumps, engines, and renewable energy systems. A true testament that elegant design never ages. Number 4. Ancient Indian plastic surgery, India, 600 BCE. The Sushruta Samhita, an ancient Sanskrit text, describes over 300 surgical procedures, including rhinoplasty, the reconstruction of noses. Using cheek or forehead skin, surgeons in ancient India could rebuild facial features with astonishing precision. Modern surgeons still use similar flap techniques, and the World Health Organization recognizes Sushruta as the father of surgery. It's one of history's earliest examples of medical brilliance born from necessity and compassion. Number 3. The Chinese seismoscope, China, 132 CE. Invented by Zhang Hong, this bronze vessel with 8 dragon heads could detect earthquakes hundreds of miles away before they were even felt. When a tremor occurred, a ball would drop from a dragon's mouth into the mouth of a toad, pointing toward the quake's direction. Modern seismologists recreated it, and it worked. This invention shows that the ancient Chinese were masters of mechanical precision and early science. Number 2. The Nazca Lines, Peru, 100 BCE, 700 CE. Etched across Peru's desert plains are giant designs. Animals, humans, geometric shapes, only visible from above. How ancient people made them without flight remains a mystery. Some researchers believe they were astronomical calendars or religious symbols visible to the gods. To this day, scientists still study how they were drawn with such accuracy and scale, over 1,500 years before drones or satellites. Number 1. The Water Clock of Alexandria, Egypt, 3rd century BCE. Long before mechanical clocks, ancient Egyptians and Greeks used water clocks, or clepsydry, to measure time. But in Alexandria, engineers took it to another level, designing automated clocks with gears, dials, and even moving figures. Some could chime on the hour or show constellations as the stars moved. It was timekeeping powered not by electricity, but by flowing water and genius design. Modern clockmakers still marvel at how accurate these devices were, proving that time and technology have always been intertwined. From batteries to computers, from concrete to surgery, our ancestors were not primitive, but pioneers. Every discovery we make today stands on their shoulders. Which of these inventions surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this journey, give the video a like and subscribe so you never miss a story from Tales of Time. Because the past is never truly gone. It just waits to be rediscovered.